Are you an introvert and you feel like networking is extremely hard, gross, and intimidating? Well, if this is you, I know exactly how you feel because as an introvert myself, I felt the exact same way. But over the years, I learned how to utilize my strength as an introvert to network effectively, which has led to so many job offers, money, and lifelong friendships. And so if you're an introvert, I'm going to share how you can utilize your strengths as an introvert to network effectively. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Michael Lee Kim, and I'm a personal finance coach, CPA, and TEDx speaker. And my goal is to help you learn how to use money to create a life you actually love. Let's get into it. I went to the Harvard Business School of Canada, and there would be recruiters from some of the top Fortune 500 companies looking to hire us for internships. But in my first year, I didn't get hired because I hated networking. I mean, I felt like the only reason why I was talking to these recruiters was so that I could get a job. So I came across as really awkward and unauthentic. And so that's when I decided to change my mindset when it came to networking. I decided to see networking as a way just to make friends and to meet new people. And when I started doing this, I was able to create authentic and meaningful relationships with hiring managers and recruiters. And eventually, I became one of their top candidates and got hired at one of the top consulting and accounting firms in the whole world. As an introvert, do you hate those big, crowded networking events where there's like 10 people swarming around one recruiter like vultures? Yeah, as an introvert myself, I hated those events too, which is why I don't even attend those events. Instead, I create my own networking arenas that utilize my strengths as an introvert. I use LinkedIn to reach out to hiring managers and recruiters to schedule a one-on-one coffee chat or video call. By doing this, I'm able to stand out from the 10 other applicants at those crowded networking events. In 2022, this is the exact networking strategy that I used to increase my income by over $30,000 by scheduling a one-on-one coffee chat with the CFO of a fintech company, where I was able to land a job offer within 1 month. A lot of people think that to be successful at networking, you have to be super loud and extroverted. But that's not true at all. In fact, I actually believe introverts are better at networking than extroverts. Because as an introvert, you probably tend to listen more than you talk. Studies show that people actually like you more when you shut your mouth and listen. When I'm talking to a hiring manager or recruiter, I just love asking them questions and just being genuinely curious in their life. And the more that they talk and I listen, the more they like me as a candidate for their job. And this is how networking has landed me so many job offers, money, and lifelong friendship. Networking is one of the most underrated skills out there. But as a common saying goes, your net worth is your net work. And so if you want to start building your net worth, you've got to start building your network as well. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you like and subscribe so you're notified when I release a new video next week. Also, if you want to learn how to use money to achieve your financial goals and create a life you actually love, then download my free personal finance training right over here. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.